Hello, everyone. Recently, after seeing my videos, many customers and friends gave me feedback that it is very enjoyable. There are two main points to that. The first point is true enough. So we're actually going through a very real thing. And then show what we want to show what we do. And then show us different scenarios of this kind of application. The second one is professional enough to a friend in need, or a friend who is interested. It would be nice to have some sympathy on some points, and then he can get some benefit points. In fact, this is quite a relief. That raises another question at this point. That is during a different thing. Explore your selling points, like core values, including your craft grinding. Aren't you worried about your peers' copy? In fact, we always think that can be copied products. They must not have a core competence. Hundreds of accessories need to be carefully polished. Right. That's like one of the core values that we talked about before at Ali. It's called embracing change all the time. The only constant in the world is change. We really have to keep up with the market. Customer demand. We're constantly iterating on this technology, and then our cognitive ability. And then we get our whole organization, our products, to always be able to remain invincible in the market. This can lead to sustainable competitiveness. I don't think this is something that can be copied by a peer. You're the only shape he can copy. The real God needs to be polished with the heart. What is it really called? One of my favorite sayings is, the more we share, the more we open up, and it's you who will benefit in the end. It must be you who grows. It's like fueling yourself. Refueling